go away.
Yep.
And continue.
Yep.
Very fun. Can I make a hole with my hand? Can I make a hole with my hand?
Yep. You gotta get out of there. You gotta get out first. Sorry.
I'm cramping a bit up.
Well, hey folks, it's been a while. Nice to see you. Just out with little Sebi here.
Yeah, and we're making a igloo, and it's gonna be a while since we did this.
It's gonna be a while. It's been a while already, hasn't it?
Yeah. It's comfortable,
Yeah.
you know.
I figure a little day trip, you know, get his feet wet towards the inevitable passion for the winter outdoors, hey?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this will be my first ever Quinzee, as they call it. This is called a Quinzee, not an igloo, technically. Even though it's kind of the same thing, in theory, or at a high level, it's kind of the same thing.
Come on, Dad.
Yep.
Let's go, Dad.
Yep.
Let's take something out.
We've been going at this for a good hour and a half, and you know, one shovel, not too bad. This sort of thing has promise for an overnighter I may or may not do soon. Okay, one thing we're missing there, son.
What?
And I'll show you in a little bit. One thing that we forgot to do.
What? What, Dad?
We have to put sticks from the outside so that when we're digging out, we don't dig a hole in the roof.
Oh.
Yeah. I'll show you how to do that in a bit. Once we get digging a bit more.
Me and Daddy. So, look for videos. Just check it out. You know, they film it when it was level, I think, on the loose, you know? What?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll build little igloo stuff. What about these down here?
Here, zoom into that snowman we built. We built that before we started.
Yeah. And there's nobody, and there's no people here.
Yeah.
See? See them?
Look at that snow, baby.
Okay, Dad, let's continue, Dad.
Okay.
Did you see what happened here? There's a bunch of snow here, and everything's looking a bit north. Except, let's find out what we can do here.
Okay, Sebi. Good. See if you can fit your whole body there. Almost. How's it looking in there, Sebi?
It's good.
Yeah.
Almost.
Okay. Well, they can easily fit Sebi. Not so much Daddy.
I spilled.
That's okay. What, down your shirt?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Down. Can you carry this, Dad?
Sure.
And I want you to take off all this and then take off my shorts.
We're not doing that right now, buddy. We'll do that when we're back at the car. Well, it was snowing quite a bit a few minutes ago, but now it's back to rain. Oh, getting soaked.
Dad, I think we need to do a little bit longer.
Huh?
I think this is not done yet. I'm tapping the snow on here. I'm tapping the snow on here.
Mm-hmm.
The video's coming up, so we're gonna film more videos.
It's like the snow stopped, eh, buddy? It's raining now.
It's raining. So, can we work on a couple of edits now? No, my boot.
Yeah. Yeah, we could. All right, well, it's cozy, eh?
Yeah.
You want your hot chocolate?
No.
No?
This time I spilled it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you have it, folks. I don't know if you can see me. Here, yeah. I'll bring you guys in a little bit here. No, let's not mess with the roof because it could collapse.
And then all the snow can fall on you.
Yep. There's not that much snow above us, but it's enough. Okay, let's get out.
Let's make something else.
Make something else? Like what?
I don't know. What do you think we should build?
Well, I think we're done. I think we should.
How about a snow castle?
Well, this is a snow castle, basically. Or we could build a wall around here.
Let's build a wall.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's get all this up here so all this is down.
Yeah, sure. And then, here, we can throw snowballs at the attacking army. Look, they're coming. Get them! Get them! Get them!
Snowball.
Get them! Whoa!
Get him!
Get them! Get them!
No, they're destroying us.
Ah!
They got me. And they got me with the
Oh
snowball.
no! We need to build up this wall.
They're destroying the wall. And they're destroying the wall. Look. Look, Dada.
Oh, my back!
Look at
My
this.
lower back.
Look all these walks.
Oh no, don't destroy the wall.
No, I'm pretending the enemies are shooting it down.
Oh, okay.
No! No! Oh. No, we need to build it again. We need to build it again.
Build it. I'm gonna show the folks Mr. S. Ah, Mr. S, your eyes fell off. There you go. Uh-oh. Mr. S. You can see up there where the snow line is. That's where I'd like to be. out of this wet stuff. Quite cozy in here. Make it a little bigger.
That'll help me.
Yeah, I'll help you in a sec, bud. I'm just trying to get a good shot of the inside of this thing. This was done in 2 hours. So double that for something my size, me and Henry, to sleep in. That's probably 4 hours of work. Assuming nothing collapses. Good work. Although I don't know how well it'd sleep. Constantly thinking of collapses. Henry's pretty clumsy too. Ow. Well, there you have it, folks. That was a fun day, hey?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna spend lots of time doing this whole.
Yeah. We built a castle and a fort.
Wall. And the soldiers are trying to get us to Quinzee.
That's right.
Little L.
I am hoping to get out for an overnight real soon. Perhaps, cross your fingers the next week or so, depending on weather. I'm trying to hit a good snowstorm. And there's one in the forecast in about a week's time, so we'll see. Until then, guys, take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.
And then there's some things we're gonna get back home.
Yep,
And,
we're gonna go back home. Say goodbye.
Goodbye, we're gonna be home and they're just free. Goodbye.
Get him!
Let's get the camera.
Get him!
Get the camera.
No, don't actually throw it at the camera. Don't do it.